Ooh, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Smiler's Hit. Smiler's TV. Another day, another adventure. Ooh, what a ride. First time going to the airport on the bike. Oh, baby, check her out. We also don't have a name for the bike, so if you guys want to comment down below what we should name the bike, let me know. Yo, MC Smooth, do you want to introduce yourself to 10 million people,
what
bro?
Up?
Hey, what's up, what's up? Alright, I call him MC Smooth. I mean, check it out, bro.
Let me see this. Is this for real?
Yeah, it's for real. Why, you want to hold it? You want to see yourself?
No, I just wasn't ready. Oh, for real? This is for real.
For real? Genesis, what's up? What's up? She starts throwing up signs. This is for you.
Thank you.
There you go. We're in Oakland right now. We're going to Kansas City. Did you want to say anything to 10 million people or nah?
I'm so over this right now. It's like 7:43 in the morning.
Right, true. And I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I did save the day earlier. You know, I may or may not have picked up some, you know, diapers on the last flight. You know, it's no big deal. Jarvis was going for it, but I was like, no, I've got this covered.
So I'm pretty mad about it. I'm in this Oakland airport and I'm in the line. I'm like, oh, can I get a grande mocha? And she's like, you mean medium mocha? She said, this ain't Starbucks no more.
Oh.
And I'm like, what?
Since when?
Since
3 months ago.
Ooh, shade. I went to Alabama this weekend to visit my girlfriend's family. Mobile, Alabama, Lower Alabama. I did say CERN, man, you know, I did get past that, but now I'm saying it over and over again. I went to grab a bagel today and I was like, oh, thank you, man. And I'm like, wait, what? I don't usually say that. What am I doing? I didn't vlog when I was in Alabama, but I do have this one clip. Mary Bragg's family has 3 cats and a dog, but one of the cats just, I'm gonna roll the clip. This is the only clip I have from Alabama. Are you rolling?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. All right, so far so good in Alabama. It's been great. This is Mary Bragg's lovely home. We got some Buffalo Wild Wings. It's 1 a.m. There's 3 cats here and 2 dogs.
Oh, and one half of a squirrel.
There's half a squirrel here.
Oh my god!
No? That's the secret. There's another half to the squirrel. Yo, you got some killer cats though, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my
like,
god!
No one's gonna be messing with your cats, I'll say that. No, drop it. Drop it. The squirrel is warm.
You touched it? Why'd you touch it?
There might be another half of a squirrel we're looking for though. There was no head. Other half of the squirrel's still on the loose. Yeah, that's pretty gross. But you know, what are you gonna do? No, it was a good time. We went down to Floribama, went on the boat and had some drinks over there. It was pretty sick. Good times. I got a little tan, as you can see, you know. That's white, and then that's the tan part where I got tan, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Tornado watch?
tornado watch.
A tornado watch? Dude.
Stop, dock, and roll or what?
Oh my goodness. No, I think that's when there's a tsunami.
First time he wasn't being a millennial, it should help him to work.
Oh, for the first time he wasn't being a millennial? What am I supposed to be? What do you want me to be? Is it my fault I was born in 92? No. 92. Wait, how long have you been here?
I've been here for 3 years almost.
Oh. Senior daddy by 3 weeks.
Call me daddy.
Wow, oh, I will not.
So Matt, why you got this ratchet backpack?
Yeah, what's this?
Get
brand new.
Get a tote.
I got it from the same place she got her backpack.
Why you got a backpack? Why you got a backpack? You're a flight attendant.
Because I'm a backpacking flight attendant. What do you want me to do? You know, it's my brand.
Backpacking flight attendant.
What do you want me to do?
I don't know why you can't go get a tote. A rollable tote.
Does it fit on the motorcycle?
No, there is a rollable tote. There's a rollable tote that has a tote and it rolls and it goes into a backpack for the motorcycle.
I don't know if that's true. I don't know.
It is true. I'll get the brand for you.
Ask what we do if there's a tornado.
Oh. Yeah, we gotta ask. Here you go.
Do you guys think there's gonna be a tornado tonight?
What are the procedures? Stop, duck, and roll, right?
Stop, drop, and roll is for a fire.
Oh.
Tornado, you go
Oh my goodness.
You go like your head down. You stop, drop, and roll right down the stairs.
And you'll hear the alarm, like you know at Planet Fitness when the lunk alarm. Woo, baby. Let's see what we got. Okay, nice bed. 5 pillows, that should do. I really hope this tornado doesn't freaking come, but if it does, let me tell you, we got the perfect view. Little sidebar, if you guys are flight attendants for my airline, this Best Western Plus across the street from this hotel gets 50% off because the owner is a flight attendant's husband. That's word on the street at least, I don't know. You guys know what time it is, you know what time it is. Hey, shout out BB. Damn, the hair was not looking too good today. I gotta try and find a fix, you know, that motorcycle hair. You know, I need like some dry shampoo or some mousse or some deer, I don't know. I literally just got a call. There's tornado activity somewhere over here. We have to take shelter at the hotel room. Holy.
Yep, real quick.
Alright.
Sir?
Going down.
We are going down. We're going to evacuate down to the lower level. So if everybody can make their way down there, I would appreciate it.
Alright. Tornado activity. Okay. Okay. If the vlog wasn't gonna get crazier enough. Here we go. Alright. Oh my goodness. Is this real life? Oh my goodness. Alright, this is the last vlog ever. Make sure you guys subscribe, like. Nolivs and Zolivs take over my YouTube channel. My password is I should probably bring a protein bar. Ooh. What? Guys, this is ridiculous. I've literally never been in the tornado. I actually was one time in St. Louis when I was like 10. Super scared, super scared. But yeah, now it happens again when I'm 27. This is the scene. Alrighty, lower level, where we at? Oh my goodness, this is crazy. Everyone in the hotel is going to the lower lobby, so.
Right through here.
Yep, coming through.
Taking shelter, yep.
Flag.
I said.
Jarvis, what did you do, man?
Oh my god.
What did you do?
Did you get any pictures from outside of the storm?
Nah, well, I just got like from the window. But, yeah, I don't know.
Pretty lit.
Yeah, it's not bad. Ooh, man, they got the whole hotel down here. Man, this is craziness.
I was gonna get some food, but I had a friend that lives out here. I hadn't seen him in a minute, so I was like, "Oh, that's what hang out." It lasted for like 20 minutes. I was like, "Yeah, y'all gotta get me back." Appreciate you. Like, well, why don't you just stay at our house? I was like, because Lord knows something's gonna happen. Your house will be the one that I'm gonna look like Toto. No, so I had to bring you back.
Yo, that's the thing though. We kind of are in Kansas.
We need to do a snack service. We should have brought some wine or something.
Oh, it's a wine thing, eh?
Wine tea.
Yeah, weren't you supposed to stop, drop, and grab the beer
Oh.
and roll it down?
I stopped, I dropped. I got a Power Crunch bar. Power Crunch bar. We can all split it though. We can all split it. You know, who knows if we're gonna be in here for days.
It says that the tornado warning's till like 12:45.
Till 12:45. What time's it now?
7.
Dude.
He has a flash flood warning in this area till 12:45.
Is there anything you want to say to your family, just in case
Peace, love, happiness.
It's been real.
Third eye. Third eye.
Oh wait, you're gonna do some Illuminati stuff? What's going on here, man? What's going on? What about you, Genesis?
I love you all. It's been great.
Yup.
Just know that I've always been the realest of the real.
That's
100.
Gang, gang, gang.
It's been real. Had a good time. It was a good run, you know? I already feel like I've lived 1,000 lives. Man's got the waters. Yes. There you go. Thank you, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
They're off, but we can continue to shelter just for a few more minutes, just make sure everything's gone.
Okay, okay. I think that's it. Woo. The bar? Is it open?
What do I have something on me?
I mean, I don't know, bro. I mean, that's like the 19th time I've cheated death in my lifetime, so I'm a little shooken up. You learn a lot about people when their life is on the line. I learned a lot about Jarvis. Jarvis, he wants to be cremated. He doesn't want to be buried. He doesn't want to be in a casket. Now, see, I told him to send me an email, put me in his will, but he wasn't having all that. I don't know why. It is definitely raining. Yeah. It's definitely raining. I don't see any tornadoes though. Cheers, bro. It's a Chickalobe. Chickalobe. Nah, but you know. Congrats on staying alive today. You did a good job. Staying alive.
They did last week, only 3 more. I was about 2.5 miles.
I survived the tornado, but my goodness, I barely survived this day. We're supposed to have 3 flights going back to LA today, and then since of the tornado, they all got canceled, so we had to double deadhead back to LA. So I get to the airport, and my 2 other crew members, Jarvis and Genesis, end up getting on the flight. But I'm like, I'm deadheading, and I don't know, it's a very long situation, but I didn't get on the deadhead, which was crazy, but I just double deadheaded through St. Louis, back to LA, got to LA. But now I'm a little late for an interview that my friend Lindsay's having at her studio. So now I gotta rush, get my motorcycle. I already hit her up, said I'm a little bit late, so.
My mama calls, see you on TV, sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
This is legit. This is pretty dope. Not gonna lie, yo. Lindsay, introduce yourself to 25 million people.
Hi, 25 million people.
Right.
Hi, I'm Lindsay. My YouTube is at Lindsay B. Hoffman, so shameless plug. I have a motivational channel, and this is my show, Dose of Bliss, and Matlows is about to be on it. Yay, this is my set.
A little nervous, sweating buckets.
You shouldn't be nervous. It's me.
Never been on camera before.
This is so cool.
Thank you.
This is awesome.
Do you guys believe in the law of attraction?
Of course.
Yeah.
So this is literally the law of attraction. I just wrote down every day I wanted to have a show.
Yeah.
And places I wanted to work for.
good, man.
It's kind of falling sideways, so I'll have to do this side. I just wrote down a bunch of places, and one was this thing, Good Morning La La Land.
Yeah.
And my friend, do you know Lauren Francesca? She's a YouTuber.
No.
She's a YouTuber, and she invited me to be on her podcast, and they filmed it here.
Yeah.
And then that's where they filmed Good Morning La La Land, and then I was like, can I have a show here too? And then they were like, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
So dope. Law of attraction is real. You heard it here first from Lindsay.
Having
herself.
Brandon on the show too, I watched his TED Talk like 3 years ago, and I was
Yeah.
like, I want to meet him one day really bad.
That's so sick.
And then
Crazy.
he added me on LinkedIn randomly, and then
Yeah.
I was like, I need you on my show. He doesn't even live here. He's in DC. He's like, oh, I'll be in town. I was like, oh my god.
That's so dope.
That's so crazy.
You're traveling the world, living a crazy life. What's your craziest travel experience? Seeing your dad.
Liz, oh my goodness, that was so dope. That was so dope.
Oh, I had so much fun.
That was so when can the Malavonians
No.
I have to
when can they watch
I have to
that?
check my content counter, but I
Yeah.
post it every Thursday, so just go to my YouTube at Lindsay B. Hoffman.
Yeah.
And a couple Thursdays from now, you'll see like maybe a retweeted tweet from one of us or Instagram story that it will be.
Boom!
up, so.
Links in the description for her channel, guys. Go check it out. She is
you.
awesome. The sweetest girl ever.
You're so nice.
So dope. This is so sick. Alright.
Thank you.
Okay, that was awesome.
Yeah, Lindsay's literally the coolest. Like, she's so sweet.
She's so sweet.
I'm not even sweating though. Like, I didn't even sweat. Like, you know, I wasn't nervous. I wasn't sweating. You know.
No.
I bet in the video you
Zero
can see me just
sweating.
like profusely sweating.
She's literally like, wow.
She's
awesome.
super nice, huh? How did I do,
You did
babe?
so well.
Yeah?
It was so cute.
So cute.
Yeah, it was so good.
It was the cutest.
No! God, please, no! No!
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that subscribe button. I mean, what do you got to lose? You're already here. Guys, comment down below, what do you guys want me to film? You guys like the flight attendant vlogs, obviously. They're coming back more. New one coming on Monday. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll let you know. You want to answer questions about what we do as a flight attendant, how to become a flight attendant, what we do, what I pack, what my workout plan is. I don't know. Like, let me know. Hey, you guys know what to do. This is Miles TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.